Good morning, it's Mr. Gormley. We're going to learn how to put our Kentucky chair assembly together. Now, this is when you have all of your parts done. If I'll show you here, I have all of my parts done right here. So, I am going to look at how I can assemble this. Go to my Google Classroom, and I need to look at the chair instructions. Now, I'm going to come down here to the bottom part of the instructions. You'll see that after we have all the pieces together, we're going to align the pieces just like so. So I'm going to start with A and B, because you see I'm going to need 6 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 B's. So this is what our end product should look like. I'm going to start here, go to File. I'm going to go to New, and I want a new assembly. Once I do that, I'm going to go to Place. Make sure it's Place, not Place from Content Center. It's just Place. So I click Place. My stuff is in Desktop. Yours might be in your Documents folder. Either way, if it's on the desktop, if it's in your Downloads or Documents, you have to find it. So I'm going to go with Part A. I'm going to open that. And you see, as I scroll out and I click once, I get one part. Now you see there's kind of this ghost image. I can then click again, get a second one, and I need 6 of them. Then I right click and I hit OK. I also need my part B. So I'm going to click on my part B, go open, and I need 2 of those. Right click, hit OK. So what I want to do is now put these together. Now when we put these together, what we need to do and how we'll do this when we actually assemble them in the shop is we only assemble them by using the holes. Okay? So if I take this piece right here and I'm going to ground it so that we know it won't go anywhere. So I right click on the part and where it says grounded, I hit grounded. Now I'm going to constrain. I'm going to constrain this from this to this. And you'll see we now have 2 pieces put together. Okay? Now, what will then happen, I'm going to constrain this hole to this hole. And you see now these, they're stuck by the holes. Okay? Now, one thing I forgot, when we assemble these for real, that is our first step. But when we're actually assembling them on Inventor, it helps to get the C's in there too. So we need 9 of those, as you can see up here. 9 pieces for the C. So I'm going to place those in there too. Part C, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these go on the bottom of this. Gotta move that out of the way. Constrain. Remember, you need that center point in the hole. And they go on the bottom here. Boom. Now, once I've got that, now what I need to do is constrain the face, that side, swivel it around to that side. Apply. So now you see that this thing is stuck and swivels all the way around. Then we go constrain this side of that second one to this side. Apply. Now this spins around, but we don't want it to spin around now. We want it to be locked this hole to the next one. Now you see that is locked right there. Then we'll need another one right here. Get another C, put that in here. I think I lost that one. There we go, we pull that out. Face. To face of the C. And as you see, this is just a pattern that we go over and over and over. And once you get your pattern down, face to face, hole to hole. See, I use my view cube a lot to move it around. And you see what happens is that these don't move, but these C's will be able to spin around. And so that's the way we go. We go A, C, B. Just like here. C, A, C, B. Alright, so it says I need a C on the outside too. So that line, apply, and that face. Oh, I need to pull this out. That face to that face. So as you see, that is our pattern. And it's just hole to hole, face to face. And those will spin, these won't. And then it'll go another C, and then another A, and then a B, another C, just like it says on our pattern here. And then we keep going with our pattern. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll come over and help you out. Good luck, guys, and have fun with it.